So in 12th grade, we are going to discuss about the different types of functions depending on the conditions they satisfy. So the first type of condition that we are going to see here is a one-to-one function, and it is technically termed as an injective function. So let's see how it is defined. So function f from related from x to y is defined as one-to-one if the images of distinct elements of x under the relation f are distinct. So the meaning of this is, if each input has a unique output associated. So the simplest way to understand is, if each input has a unique output associated given by that function f, then that function is said to be a one-to-one function. If the function fails to be one-to-one, it is called as a many-to-one function. Let's see certain examples. Let's say there are two sets x1 and x2 that are given to you. So x1 has 4 elements in it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and x2 has 6 elements. The same is the case with all the 4 diagrams. Now let's look at the first function f1. So how is the function? 1 is related to a, 2 is related to b, 3 is to c, and 3 is to d, and 4 is to c. If you observe, each input has a unique output associated in this, right? So this type of a function is called as a one-to-one function. Then how will a many-to-one function look like? Let's observe this. If suppose you look at the function f2, here from the diagram it is clear that 1 is also having the output, the input 1 is having the output as b, and the input 2 is also having the output as b. Means two elements have the same output. So since this kind of a condition is since this kind of a condition is existing, this is not going to be a one-to-one function. It is a many-to-one function. Now similarly, look at the function f3. 1 is related to a, 2 is also related to a. Since two inputs have a same output, this is also not a one-to-one function. It is a many-to-one function. Means many inputs are related to one particular output. That is the meaning of many-to-one. Now similarly, if we look at the function f4, 1 is related to b, 2 is to c, 3 is to a, and 4 is to d. Unique input and unique output. Yes, this is a one-to-one function.